Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Once again, I would like to welcome back to the class. Okay, today we are going to revise wild animals. So, children, we all are going to revise wild animals. Okay, children, are you ready? Yes. So, wild animals are those animals who lives in jungle. They stay in jungle. Okay, they have their homes in jungle. Okay, they have to go and search their own food. Nobody will cook for them. Okay, they have to search their own food, as well as they have to search the river to drink water. Yes, so wild animals. Okay. Zebra. Okay, wild animal that looks like horse. Zebra, it looks like horse, but it has black and white lines all over their body. Okay, children. So zebra, they look like horse, but they have black and white line all over their body. Next one is elephant, a very large grey animal, as you can see in the picture. Okay, they are a very large grey animal. Elephants are very large grey animal with big ears, two long curved teeth. Okay, with big ears, you can see this is their ear. Okay, big two, one, two, and tooth, another tooth. They have two teeth. Okay, that also long and curved, and they have what? Long nose. Okay, do you have long nose? Can you touch your nose? No, we have small nose, but elephant, they have long nose. We call it trunk. Trunk, trunk. Next one is tiger. Tiger, a large wild cat that has yellow fur with black lines. Okay, they are wild cats. They have yellow fur, yellow outer, black yellow hair with black lines. Okay, see lines. They are like dots, but it's not really dots. They are long. Okay, lines. And fox, they are like a small dog with pointed nose and furry tail. They all have thick tail. And bear. Okay, bear, they are a large heavy animal, very large and very heavy and very fat animal with thick fur and sharp teeth. Therefore their hairs are also very thick, and their teeth, they are very sharp. Okay, very sharp, like a knife. Okay. And monkey, an animal with long tail. Do you know? They have long tail okay, and they can climb trees and walls very easily. Another one is chimpanzee. Okay, children. So chimpanzee, they are a great ape. Okay, with large ear, and they are black in color, as you can see in the picture. They have black skin color or hair color, but their face, it is light. Okay, light color. And another one is panda, a large black and white animal. He mostly eats leaves and stem. They are black and white animals. Okay, pandas are black and white animals, as you can see in the picture. Okay, but we eat dal, rice, chapatis, and maybe noodles. But what panda eat? They eat leaves from the trees and stem. Okay, children. Next one is cheetah. Cheetah, a large wild cat that has black spots on its fur. Cheetah have long legs and fastest animal on land. So cheetah, they are large wild cat that has black spots on their body. Okay, in cheetah you can see spots. Okay, black spots on their body. You can see spots. They have black spots on their body. Okay, but here also you can see, yes, no, yes. Okay, so cheetah, their legs are very long and they can run very fast. They are the fastest, means they can run very fast on the land. Okay, they can run faster than deer, chimpanzee, panda. From all animals they can run very fast. Who? Cheetah. Next one is deer. Okay, a large heavy animal. Oh, sorry, deer. Deer, brown in color. They are brown in color. They are not very big like a bear. They are small. Okay, not very small also, but they are brown in color. Sometimes they have marks on their body. Some deer, they have marks on their body, but some they don't have. And they can swim very nicely. How many of you know how to swim? But deer, they know very nicely. They know how to swim. They are good swimmers, and they can hear also from very far without anything. Okay, they hear and they can smell also, means they have very good sense of smell. Another one is king of the jungle. Okay, so lion, they are king of jungle, but they are a large meat eating animals. Lions, they eat other animals. Okay, they are king of the jungle and they like to eat other animal. And they are also from cats family. Another one is giraffe. Giraffe, tallest living animal. It can reach a height of more than 18 feet. Giraffe have small body, but their legs and neck are very large. Okay, so they are the tallest animals. Their neck, it is tall, and their legs also, it's very tall, but their body is small. Okay, and they can reach till 18 feet. Okay, so we revised about wild animals who lives in jungle. Okay, in forest. Okay, you can see some they lives on trees, some they have houses on trees, some they have on land. Okay, so let's do question and answer. Okay, children, so I have made something for you. You all have to fill some missing words in the blanks, and you all have to help your teacher to fill in. Okay, children, so I will show you from books. Okay, we studied about wild animals, yes or no? Yes, we studied about wild animals. Now we also should know the spellings of each wild animals which we had studied. Okay, so can you tell me, what can be this one? PAN-A. What can be this one? Now you all have to see your lesson. Okay, I have sent you PDF file of lesson wild animal. Okay, so what is this? Okay, can you tell me which one can it be? It starts from P. So P, yes. A, is A there? Let's see. Yes, A is there. After that N, and then N. Yes, that means we have to write this one. One letter is missing from there. So what is the letter? Let's see. PAN dash A. PAN dash A. So it will be D. Okay, so let's write D. PANDA. Okay children, write in your notebook DA. Panda. Next one is, it starts from CHEE dash AH. Let's see which letter is missing. CHEE TAH. Yes, the letter T missing, so we have to write here T. Okay, very good. And then what is this? It starts from D. D, E, after that dash, then R. Let's search. Okay, which one? Let's see. Yes, D, E, E, R. The letter E is missing, so let's write here E, deer. Okay, then after that, what is this? What can it be? Let's search. Start from G. G, yes. Then one letter is missing. Then after that R. Is R there? Yes, R. Then A. Yes, A. Double F. Then dash again. So two dash. So what? I and E. Okay, GIRAFFE, giraffe. GIRAFFE, giraffe. GIRAFFE, giraffe. The last one is lion. Okay, so let's see which letter is missing. LION, lion. LI, the letter I is missing. Okay children, so now I want all of you to repeat after me. P, yes. A, after that N, yes. D, yes. A, panda. Repeat after me, panda. Next one is CH double E, yes. TAH, cheetah. Then DEER, deer. DEER, deer. GIRAFFE, giraffe. Okay children, giraffe. LION, lion. LION, lion. And one is missing. Okay, this spelling is very long, but we should also know this spelling, right? So CHIMP. Okay, once again, C, yes. HIMPANZEE, chimpanzee, yes. So these are the wild animals, and you should know the spellings also. Let's learn from zebra also. ZEBRA, zebra, very good. ELEPHANT, elephant. TIGER, tiger. F-O-X, fox. B-E-A-R, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Okay children, I hope you all have understood the lesson, and now I want all of you to write this one in your notebook. Okay, you all have to write this one in your notebook. Okay, and I will also send this PDF by tomorrow. Okay, so here these 3 questions I will send you. I will send this one today only by PDF. Okay, so please children, do your work, be good students, and your teacher will be so happy if you send me your work on time. Okay children, and I want to appreciate those students, small kids, okay, who all are sending their work regularly. Keep it up, and okay, you have done a good job. Okay, some of you are sending your work regularly. I know the names, but I want all of you to send your work regularly. Okay children. Okay, thank you for listening carefully. I hope you have learned something. Have a good day.